Okay, I have the fastest friend of mine. This is the Blast, the Ferdy.
Plus mo sa Inodoro.
So okay, marami kami nakikita dito sa Ayala Cafe. Napakabuti kayo dito, napakagandang lalaki, lalo na yung kanyang, alam mo na, bigote. Ako rin, meron din ako yan.
Nagpatuloy.
Okay, brother Ferdy, have a nice day. And happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Same to you.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Ikaw nakaganong ka, pre, oh. Pre, nakaganong ka, pre. Ay, ganyan lang, eh.
Full body na.
Oo. Yan, full body tol. Yan. Okay. Yan, parang nag-aaway kayo. Parang nag-aaway kayo. Yan. Yan. Okay.
Ano ba dapat? Hindi mo ganun. Ayan.
Talo ko.
Talo ko.
Talo ka! Ano ba dapat?
Hindi, nakaganong ka dapat, oh. Yung ulo mo, yan.
2, 3. Talo ka! Ano naman talo? Lukan tayo!
Yan, yan.
Practice na kami, mag-ensayo kami.
Yan. Tatalong ka raw, may. Tatalong ka pa.
Okay, yan ang aming exercise dito.
Kasi magsasalita kayo.
Okay, dito lang kayo dito at napakasaya rito.
Kaya rito!
Paraman!
Lapit mo lang.
Hello!
Ako si Nicolay! Woo!
Sir, pwede magpa-picture sa inyo?
Opo!
Okay, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. At nandito na naman tayo. Ironman Adventure! Ironman with the capital A! Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Nandito tayo sa Makati at magkakaroon na naman tayo ng Ayala Car Free Sunday. Magpapasaya na naman tayo ng mga tao. Okay, mag-scooter tayo ngayon. Okay, let's go! Okay, nandito pala tayo sa San Antonio Village at fiesta dito. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat at siguradong napakasaya nito. Medyo maulan ngayon. Okay, papunta na tayo ng Buendia. Good morning. Okay mga kaibigan, nandito na tayo sa Buendia, Makati. Papunta na tayo ng Ayala Free. Nasa Buendia pa lang tayo. Woo! Good morning! Masaya to. Kaya lang medyo makulimlim at hopefully sana huwag masyadong umulan. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Ayala Avenue. Good morning! At na tayo ng ating Ironman Adventure. Ironman with the capital A. Woo! Ito dahil umulan, medyo paulimlim. Basta ang ating lahat, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Avenue. Good morning! Okay. Makikita natin at napaka-safety ang mga ating mga bikers at mga runners. Woo! Good morning! Okay. Okay, start na tayo ng ating exercise dito sa Ayala Car Free Sunday. Woo! With Ironman, with the capital A. Ironman. Yes, good morning.
Ironman.
Good morning. Ingat, ingat.
Shout out Ironman.
Okay, good morning brother. Eto, kaibigan natin. Good morning brother.
Good morning, Idol.
Shout out. Ano masasabi mo ngayong Sunday? Mapagod na
Happy Father's Day pala sa lahat ng tatay dyan.
Okay, tama-tama.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Maulan na morning mga kaibigan. Dito kami ngayon sa Ayala Avenue sa Car Free Sunday. Good morning, good morning.
Okay, pumipit
Thank you
si
po.
Kuya. Ano pangalan mo brother?
Shout out pala, Macro's Bike and Fitness. Please follow and share.
Yun. Okay. Okay, ito yung kaibigan natin. Brother, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Ironman. Sa pitik na. Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Ito brother ang ating channel.
Nakapala ko sa'yo.
Ah. Okay, for the meantime, magja-jogging muna tayo para medyo exercise tayo. Woo. Ito, napakaganda ng klima ngayon, oh. Ayan, oh. Medyo wet ang ating street dahil umambon. Okay, ang napakagandang Ayala Avenue. Woo! Good morning! Yes, ito, kaibigan natin, binibigil tayo. Good morning, brother! Woo! Jogging lang! Okay, ito, jogging muna tayo. Then, alright, good morning! We are here in Ayala Car Free and we'd like to greet happy birthday! Happy birthday to Chris Tatel!
Let's go. Thank you, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Chris Tatel!
You have anything to say? Shout out, Kuya.
I would like to say Happy Father's Day and I hope you watch all my YouTube channel, Video Moko channel, Adventure of Ironman, and
On YouTube po?
Captain America. This one.
Okay. Thank you,
Let's
Kuya.
take a shot of this one.
Okay.
Okay, here are the nice guy here. What's your name, brother?
Diego.
Wow, Diego, look at that. This face just like me. Mine.
Told you.
This is handsome, and I am handsome. Oh, thank you very much, my bro.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Save the world.
Yeah, I'm going to save the world. We all going to save the world.
Yes.
Oh, thank you very
I will
much.
follow you.
Okay, you take a pic. Alright, woo. Good morning. Good morning. So that's it. Mother, good morning. Good morning, Santa Mesa Bikers.
Page mo.
Ito yung mga Santa Mesa
Idol,
Bikers.
anong page mo nga?
Ayan, Video Moko channel.
Ayun, video mo ko channel.
This one.
Okay, salamat.
Okay, ito,
Idol.
kaibigan natin. Magandang umaga, brother.
Magandang umaga, shoutout sa mga taga Santa Mesa.
Okay, Santa Mesa brother.
Thank
yan,
you,
oh.
Ironman.
Okay, thank you. Share the road. Yes. Okay. So, whew, medyo habang wala pang ulan, magpapakasaya ngayon tayo dahil ayan na, medyo dumidilim pero hopefully clear ang sky natin.
Buddy,
Good morning.
penang bang.
Oh. Yes, okay. So this is it. Napakasaya rito sa Ayala. So marami nagja-jogging at whew, very friendly lahat. Magkakaibigan lahat. So, good morning. Okay, we have to take a walk para makita natin ang lahat. ang gamit natin ang Airlang 10. Galing ito sa Extreme Scooter by Sir Eugene Martinez. Okay, thank you very much. Ito rin tayo. Woo! So, very smooth ang ating ride ngayon. Okay. So, nandito tayo sa ating Ninoy Aquino Monument dito sa Ayala Avenue. Ayan ang ating bayani Ninoy Aquino. Okay, thank you. Woo! So ito, napakaganda ng ating watawat Philippine flag. Beautiful Sunday right here, Ayala Car-Free Sunday. Wow! With the Iron Man with a capital A. So, good morning! Okay, eto. May tugtog sila. Eto, kaibigan natin. Good morning, brother. Woo! Okay, nandito tayo sa Manila Peninsula. Manila Peninsula. Okay, napakaganda. Good morning! Good morning! Have a nice day! Woo! So, eto. Hindi pa bumabagsak ang ulan at woo! Okay, isang ikot muna tayo. Ayan o. Okay, so, stop muna tayo rito para maganda ang so, welcome muna natin ang ating mga kaibigan. Hopefully. Okay, thank you. Okay, yan ang ating kaibigan, si Iceman. Sakto, nakita natin, nagja-jogging. Iceman, Boy Espiritu. Thank you! Ay, walking muna tayo. Dito tayo sa harap Manila Peninsula. Woo! So, napakasarap siguro maligo dyan. Okay. Woo! Good morning Manila Peninsula. Wow. Okay. Okay, nandito pa rin tayo sa Ayala Car Free Sunday. At babatiin natin lahat ng ating mga minamahal na father. Okay? Happy Father's Day! Thank you! Pwesto. Okay, ito yung kaibigan natin. Tsa. Okay. Batiin mo si Daddy. Happy Father's Day! Woo! Okay, yan oh. Thank you very much, brother. Brother, ito yung ating channel. Para mapapanood mo. Ha? Okay, thank you very much.
Iron, AY.
Okay, ito yung mga kaibigan natin. Good morning, brother. Shout out.
Good morning.
Happy Father's Day.
Same to you.
Ito si brother, ano?
Well,
What can you say about yourself, man?
hey, happy Father's Day to you.
Okay.
Hindi kayo marunong mag-English.
Oh, limited lang.
Limited lang. Okay, these are my friends here in Ayala Car Free. Okay. Ride safe, brother. Have a nice day. And then, God stay fit. Okay. Thank you. These are my friends. What's your name, brother?
Jiggy.
Oh, and this one. Woo. Okay.
Nice seeing you guys.
Nice. Bye.
So nice seeing you.
Nice.
Iron Man selfie.
Hey. Okay. Thank you very much, brother. Woo. Hey. You're looking good, man. Thank you very much. Okay, I have the fastest friend of mine. This is the Blast, the Ferdy. Blast mo sa Inodoro. So, okay, parati kami nagkikita dito sa Ayala Car Free. Napakabuti kayo dito. Napakagandang lalaka, lalo na yung kanyang, alam mo na, bigote. Ako rin, meron din ako yan.
Nagpatugol.
Okay, brother Ferdy, have a nice day. And happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Same to you.
Okay, bye-bye! Thank you! Yun na, baka kagatin ko. Okay. Okay, this is my friend. Woo! Thank you very much. Bye-bye! Iron Man ako, matapang. Pero pagdating sa medyo tiklop tayo. Thank you very much, brother! Happy Father's Day! So, medyo kinabahan tayo rin medyo tumahol Katahulang din kita. Okay, thank you very much. Happy Father's Day! Good morning! Okay. Okay, these are my friends here in Ayala.
Hello!
Good morning! Ayan. Mga kaibigan natin. So beautiful Sunday and beautiful friends here.
Yeah.
Your name, miss?
Hi, you can call me Pat.
Okay, thank you, Pat.
This is MG.
Yes.
I'm Wish. I'm Chris.
And Barry.
Yo.
Can we have take a picture with you, Idol Iron Man? Okay. Okay.
Smile.
1, 2, 3.
Pak!
One more time. Say
1,
Iron Man.
2, 3!
Iron Man.
Iron Man with the capital A! Good morning! Happy Father's Day! Merry Christmas!
Happy Father's
Happy New Year.
Bye-bye, Iron Man. Bye-bye.
Hopefully you watch this video. Okay, this is my channel. You have to take a shot of this one. Yeah.
Yeah, we will follow.
Ayan kinukunan nila ang ating thank you very much! Bye-bye! See you on Sunday! Bye-bye! Woo! Thank you! Okay, we got a lot of friends here. Iron Man! Hey! What's up? Woo! Hey, you got a nice scooter there.
Thank you.
You have also a scooter just like me? Okay, be careful. Alright. Ride safe. Rah! Talaga yun. Iron Man with a capital A. Okay, hey. And this one. This is also my friend.
Oh, hi, hi.
What can you say about yourself, man?
Feeling good Sunday. Doing 10 km run.
Wow.
And I just randomly meet Iron Man.
Hey, what's your name, man? From what country?
Here, Philippines.
Oh, Filipino.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I take a picture with you?
Yeah, sure. Okay,
Here.
let's start this one. Cut!
2, 3.
Wait. Okay. That's it. Yan ang ating early exercise dito sa Ayala Car Free. So, pabalik na tayo ng San Antonio Village at celebrate yung ating fiesta. Okay, let's go.